presenting the Jeep 2017 Cherokee Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low back bucket seats, diamond black crystal pearl coat, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, deep tint sunscreen glass, engine, 2.4 Li4 multi-air flex fuel included, Tiger Shark flex fuel vehicle 50 state emissions, BIZ non-LED headlamps, deep tint sunscreen glass, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li4 multi-air included, Tiger Shark, STD. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.